বসন্তলাল শাস্ত্রী এবং উপস্থিত সমস্ত বৈষ্ণববৃন্দ, মাতৃবৃন্দ, গৌরগত সজ্জনবৃন্দ, হরিকথা উপাসক সত্যবৃন্দ,
So I do my pranam to all the Vaishnavas and Vaishnavas who are presented here, and I accordingly.
आज जिस महादी सभा में हम
Today
बैठे हुए हैं,
we present.
अति व सुंदर
This is
महत्वपूर्ण दिवस है।
this is a very auspicious day today.
अपने गुरुपाद नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर
Like my Gurudev, Namo Vishnupada Sri Srimad Bhaktivedanta Chilavaman Goswami Maharaj, disappearance day, and Shiksha Gurudev Sri Srimad Bhakti or Vishnupada Ashok Sri Srimad Bhaktivedanta Shri Tirupati Goswami Maharaj, disappearance day we are celebrating here. And
परम पूजनीय गुरुदेव की अत्यंत
the Gurudev's very dear
सेविका
dear devotee or dear disciple of Param Gurudev, Shri Madhu Smita, Madhu Khandelwal Didi,
सपना दीदी
and the Sapna
और
Didi, and the Vimla Didi,
और माधवी जी एवं सभी की चरण कमल में मेरा भी
I do my Dandat Pranam at their
बहुत
feet
सुंदर
and should accept my Dandat. So
गुरुदेव की जो
on this occasion, like Gurudev's desire of the heart, they present in front of all. They present Gurudev's desire is that Srimad Bhagavatam
पूर्ण रूप से जो है
completely
हिंदी भाषा में
in a Hindi language. This is our Rashtriya Bhasha,
वो प्रकाशित हो
and it should be
जिस प्रकार
like manifest in a Hindi language, as the
अपने
Mahaprabhu said to Rup Goswami Pad, and
क्या श्री चैतन्य
Rup Goswami said to Mahaprabhu, Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam.
श्री नरोत्तम दास ठाकुर
Srila Narottam Das Thakur, Shri Rup Goswami Pad.
अपने पुष्पांजलि प्रदान करते हुए ये
Narottam Das Thakur is offering Pushpanjali unto the lotus feet of Rup Goswami Pad, because the Rup Goswami Pad has established the heart desire of the Mahaprabhu.
उसी प्रकार
So similarly,
और इनके परिवार में
Lida Madhu Didi and their family.
गुरुदेव की जो मनोभिष्ट
They complete the manobhist of the Gurudeva.
गीता प्रेस में तो हिंदी भाषा में श्रीमद् भागवत
In the Gita press, the Srimad Bhagavatam or many granthas has been published, but actually in those granthas, like there is some touch of the Mayavad in those granthas.
किंतु श्रील कृष्ण गुरुपाद पद्म
That's why the Guru Padma used to say,
विशेष करके
according to the Vaishnav's wish, especially the Nityalila Vishnupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, according to his his mood should be manifest in this granth. So that's why the Madhu Didi like translate this granth from Bangla to in Hindi. So I do my pranam at his feet. So like who do the service of the Guru is the topmost. Guru Seva is a two kinds. One is a Vapu Seva and other is a Vani Seva.
बपू सेवा और दूसरी होता है वाणी सेवा यद्यपि दोनों सेवा में कोई अंतर
Actually, there is no difference in between both of the seva.
मैं वो वाद विवाद आदि करते हैं मैं वो वाद विवाद में नहीं जाना नहीं चाहता
I don't want to go into the arguments, but still, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada
लिखा है
write in an article. I'm just according to that article I'm saying in a two
वपु
words,
सेवा अपेक्षा
Vapu Seva.
वाणी सेवा
According
के
to
विशेष
the Vapu Seva, the body Seva, the Vani Seva, the word
वपु सेवा
Seva is the
है
more important. Vapu Seva is what?
अर्थात गुरुदेव के लिए
Like
रसोई बनाना,
you just prepare
उन्हें भी
anything
कपड़ा
for
आदि साफ कर देना,
prepare any cook food for the
चरण आदि
Gurudev and just
सेवा आदि करना,
give massage to
इसी
Gurudev's
समझ से कहा
legs.
जाता है
So
वपु
these
सेवा।
all are
वाणी सेवा उसी
like
को
a
कहा जाता
Vapu
है,
Seva, but the Vani Seva is
गुरुदेव
what?
के मनोधिष्ट जान करके
Who
गुरुदेव की
knows the moods of the Gurudeva and according to his wish, like the whatever he has shown, and do the preaching according to his mood. This is known as a Vani Seva. It's also known as a Brihad Mridang Seva. Srila Bhakti Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada is describing in the temple as like we used to play the Mridanga in the temple. So, but its sound goes to the some short distance. The sound vibrations, the sound, but the
उनकी जो वाणी जो कथा जो है
but the Vani Seva,
ग्रंथ के रूप में प्रकाशित करके
like
एक छोर से लेकर
published in
दूसरी छोर तक पहुंच
in
जाना,
a
ये
Granth. So
सेवा
like to publish all of the words in the book in the form of the book and to deliver it from the one corner of the to the other corner. This is known as the topmost seva. As I used to go with the Gurudev for the foreign countries to preaching. So Srila Gurudev's Granth and Bhakti Vedanta Srila Swami Maharaj Granth, the Gurudev used to say, I want to see like all the Granth should be distributed and reach to all of the houses. So by just saying these words, after the completing his lecture, so all the devotees, so all the devotees buy all of this Granth for their own self or for their friends, for their families, because Gurudev that time used to give so much utsaha. So at that time the Gurudev is showing so much the importance of the Brihad Mridang Seva. So Rup Goswami Pad 500 years ago, like he manifested the Grantha Ujjwal Leelmani Bhakti Rasamrita and many others, Lalit Madhav, Vidagdha Madhav, all the Granths he manifested. But still today's also like it's reaching to the devotee's heart and other places also it's going. So that is the like a special quality of the Brihad Mridanga Seva. Gurudev used to that's in that way the Gurudev used to give the excitement and utsaha to all, and used to encourage the devotees. This Granth should be at everyone's house, reach to the everyone's house. So like how the Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj used to carry that 20, 30 kgs Granthas used to travel from the bus stands or the stations, like wherever he used to travel, like a school, colleges, or the people are gathering, used to distribute all of these Granthas, because these Granth publication and the distribution, the preaching, that is actually is the topmost service. Please forgive me. This is only, I'm not saying this is Vapu Seva is a less, but still the Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada or Gurudev used to say, but this is a special quality of the Grantha, Brihad Mridang Seva. Srila Bhaktivedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj has published many of the Granthas in the Bengali language and other languages too. Other Gurudevs also be published. So this is our main motive is to be preach these Granthas through over the world. Then what does it mean? Anyavilashita Shunyam. This is the definition of the bhakti. So whatever the Rup Goswami Pad he mentioned in the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, in a Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu he mentioned the bhakti definition, like no comparison with this definition. Like Srimad Bhagavatam, this is the heart of the Vaishnavasa Sarva Vedanta Saram hi Srimad Bhagavatam Ishate. Like all the Vedas, Purans, essence is what? That is Srimad Bhagavatam only. So
महापुरुष के समय से लेकर
from the Mahaprabhu's time,
और विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती
even the Vishwanath Chakravarti
किसी
Pad,
ने जो है वेदांत के दर्शन के ऊपर उन्होंने कोई टीका आदि नहीं
like nobody has wrote the commentaries on the Vedanta Darshan, just because
क्योंकि ये श्रीमद् भागवतम जो है
Srimad Bhagavatam
वास्तव रूप में जो है
is actually
वेदांत की ये टीका सर्वई माना जाता है।
like it is a commentary of the Vedanta Sutra. So that's why the Jiva Goswami Pad, like so much scholar and a high class, like in front of him who can stand. So but still like no commentaries has been written on the Vedanta. In the Jaipur, the Ramanuja Sampradaya, like there is a issue arise, like an arguments happen why the Radharani is with the Krishna. So why, like how the Radharani will be with Shri Krishna and how the worship will be happen the Radha and Krishna together. Because the Radharani didn't get married with the Krishna, so it's not possible to keep the deity of Radharani with the Krishna. So should in the place of the Radha should be Rukmani, Satyabhama should be there with the Radha with the Govinda. So that in like this so many arguments arise. So that time the Jaipur king, they prayed and a very big assembly happened and many scholar people and high class educated people came and they all are giving their own philosophies and principles. But the Baldev Vidya Bhushan Prabhu, who is a very dear and a Shiksha disciple of Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, and what the Baldev Vidya Bhushan Prabhu did in that assembly, in a very like a good language, he defeat all the arguments and established that Radharani is she is a Sarup Shakti Sarupani. Without the Radharani, Krishna became a half and incomplete. But still the Pandits are not accepting this. So that we will accept the Gaudiya philosophy if is there any commentary on the Vedanta Sutra. As the Madhvacharya, like a four sampradayas we are having, the Brahm, Madhva, Rudra, Shri and a Sanak Sampradaya. Even the Balvacharya also has wrote the Tika, but the Gaudiya Tika, the commentaries, the Govind, like no commentaries is there on the Vedanta Sutra is available at that time. So he gave the 7 days time, and that time the Baldev Vidya Bhushan Prabhu did the prayers to the Govind Dev, and he wrote the commentaries on the Vedanta Sutra, and that Granth name was the Govinda Bhashya, and he present in the assembly that Grantha. So that time everyone have to accept that the Radharani should be placed with the Govinda. So Sampradaya protection and to establish the philosophy is the topmost service. If somebody is saying, like if somebody is speaking but no evidence of that, but if somebody is writing a Grantha, so that Grantha will be become a perfect evidence for the long time. Like by the in a time of the speaking, maybe the some words go forward and after, and but in a Granth everything should be in a sequence. So Srila Bhaktivedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj used to say, Granth writing is an evidence, is a proof. Bhakti Vinod Thakur, that's why saying in a Jadharma Amanaya Prana. Sachinandan Gaur Hari like provides the 10 principles. One is Like the Praman and the Prema Tattva is mentioned in the Jain Dharma, it is also mentioned. This is a Praman Swarupa. So writing Grantha is evidence. Like the Srimad Bhagavatam Dasham Skand.
और शिला प्रभुपाद दंडी महाराज को मैंने पूछा ये इस ग्रंथ में क्या प्रकाशित किया
Like what they has been what they has write in the Grantha. So said कि शिला भक्ति
भाषा को लेकर बंगला भाषा
like from the Bangla Bhasha
हिंदी भाषा में
translate in a Hindi language.
ये वास्तव जो अमूल्य ग्रंथ है
This is actually a very important Granth, so everyone should read. This Granth will be stay for the Yuga Yuganta, after this Yuga, but this Grantha will be here only. So that's why we will read this Grantha for the long time. And what is like the Gurudev's Vichardhara, the philosophy is mentioned in this Granth. So by this only I just rest my words and Vancha Jaguru Sacha and Madhu Didi ki jai and all of the families ki jai.